Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ananda Suci Rahmania. Student identification number 20020124004. I'm sorry. Here I will present the Islamic Education Journal. Title: The Impact of Globalization on the Understanding of Islam. That one. Impact of globalization. Globalization brings diverse impact in political and economy and social aspect, creating challenge in understanding culture difference and values among societies. The term Islam is often used as marker that sparks an obscure understanding of Muslim teaching and practices. Inappropriate use of terms such as Islamic often creates misunderstanding that can lead to the demonization of Muslim. It is therefore important to explore and clarify this term, especially in the context of public discourse in the United States following the September 12, 2001 attack. Role 2. Terminology related to Islam. Islam-related terminology is to map out a typology of Islam education and develop more accurate definition to break difference in public discourse. Third type of education can be identified: education for Muslim, education about Islam for non-Muslim, and education in the spirit of Islam. Muslim education focus on the effort of Muslim communities to educate themselves through the primary source of Islam, such as the Quran and Sunnah, in institutions such as mosque and school. Slide 3. Education for Muslim. Education for Muslim includes Muslim schools that offer a curriculum that combines secular and Islamic education. These schools strive to meet general education standards while integrating Islamic values. Although there are challenges in achieving curriculum standardization, many Muslim schools in the United States strive to provide education that is relevant and appropriate to the cultural context of students. Education about Islam in public school has also grown, although it is often still affected by Orientalist view and inaccurate in the portrayal of Islam. Media, both traditional and digital, play a significant role in shaping public opinion about Islam. Media covers often varies from condescending to fair and pleasant. Since September 12, 2001, many books and articles have been written to educate the public about Islam, but there are often still misconceptions circulating. Therefore, it is important to ensure that education about Islam in school and the media reflect an accurate and fair and understanding. Education and the spirit of Islam includes moral and ethical development, as well as master of relevant knowledge. The concept of education in the Islamic tradition does not distinguish between religious and secular knowledge, but rather integrate both to from civilized and responsible individuals. Education is considered an obligation for every Muslim, and knowledge of Allah and His teaching becomes an integral part of the learning process. Destination. The goal of Islamic education is to create individuals who not only understand religious teaching but are also able to contribute positively in society to education that focus on Islamic values. It is hoped that the young generation can internalize the principle of faith and act in accordance with these values in their daily life. Thus, Islamic education play an important role in building a civilized and harmonious society. The last conclusion. This article provides an in-depth insight into the challenge faced in understanding terms related to Islam, as well as how Islamic education plays a role in shaping the identity and understand of Muslims in the era of globalization. One of the key points is the use of the term Islamic and Muslim, which often led to tetraptous and inaccurate generalization. This shows how important proper and accurate understanding is in public discourse to avoid demonization of Muslim. So thank you everyone. I'm more or less apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.